So increasing investment in clinical trials activity in Africa is really important so that the health priorities of the African continent can be fully met. Also really important in terms of strengthening that capacity and having long-term sustainable clinical trial evaluation frameworks that exist that can serve the long-term needs of the African continent in terms of public health, and ensuring that any clinical trial evaluation work that's conducted on the African continent really does serve the interests of the populations and ensures affordable access to new interventions, new technologies, new public health solutions.
As a developing continent, I think most of the clinical research data that we use, you'll find that that information is collected from either in Europe or in the West. What we actually require is collect data with evidence that is context specific. So most clinical trials, you find that we have to collect data for our people that will inform exactly how we're going to administer any pharmaceutical product in our population. So sometimes it is a requirement, but in case of emergencies, it may not. So we have to figure out how we can increase that capacity for the benefit of regulating those pharmaceutical products.
Yeah, strengthening clinical research capacity here in Africa is critically important. There are so many questions that need to be answered directly from scientists affecting patients and communities with regards to all sort of areas of research, whether it's sort of observational studies, whether it's qualitative research to really understand social science and the anthropology of the types of questions that are being asked, all the way through to clinical trials, and really trying to investigate interventions, whether they be kind of multimodal interventions, community-based interventions, or specific interventions that are on new therapeutics or diagnostics. Those need to be evaluated in this region.